So, tapos na ang ating fried fish. So, if you notice something a little bit oily, so what I'm gonna do is this one, a paper towel, and since the back is dry, so we need to fish down this on that this kadtaran. So we're gonna do is flip this over like that. Oh, so let's do it. The one is a little bit oily on this one is dry. Not most of them. So just the one that is, this one is a little bit oily. Yung maliliit, yun ang medyo oily. Pero the rest are fine. So they are good, see? It's not oily. It's a little bit. So let's try that one. So the big one is, see, that's shiny enough. Oops. So yummy. So it's totally dried and like I wanted, so golden brown, and you know that. You know what's that mean? Crunchy. Look, this big one. Totally dry, but can still put it there for the, if in case absorb the oil, but I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. So we got one left here. That is a huge one. That is so yummy. Oh my Gabi! Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for the blessing.